So today we have speaking test. Are you ready?
Yeah,
Let's start. Then tell me please, what's your name?
my name is Jenny.
How old are you?
I'm 6.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
How are you today?
I'm good.
That's wonderful. Now let's speak about colors. What color is it?
White, blue, red, green, black.
Good job. Now tell me please, how many cats are here?
4 cats.
How many dogs?
1 dog.
How many cars?
3 cars.
Yes. What's this?
Pen, pencil, notebook, chair, desk, crayon,
Yes. Now let's speak about toys. What is it?
lion, teddy bear, balloon, robot.
Good job. Now we speak about phonics. What letter is it?
Letter A sound apple. Letter B sound boy, bat. Letter C sound cat, car. Letter D sound dog, duck. Letter E sound elephant, egg. Letter F sound feet, farm.
Yes. Tell me please, what is it?
Pencil,
How many pencils are here?
2 pencil,
What color is it?
blue,
What color is it?
red,
Okay, what is it?
chair,
How many chairs are here?
2 chair,
2 chairs. What is it?
desk,
How many desks are here?
1 desk,
Okay. Okay, here tell me please, how many dogs are here?
4 dogs,
How many dogs?
2 ducks,
And how many cats?
1 cat.
Yes, that's all for today. Thank you.
Goodbye.